Tired of boring breakfasts? Stop skipping the most important meal. Let's make avocado toast that'll wow your taste buds. Stick around because this recipe is a total game changer. Grab these simple ingredients: 2 ripe avocados, a slice of your favorite bread, half a small red onion, half a small cucumber, a squeeze of lemon, a pinch of salt and pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. First, toast your bread until golden and crispy. Don't rush this part, it makes all the difference. While that's toasting, mash your avocados in a bowl. Next, finely chop the onion and cucumber. These add crunch and a fresh kick. Mix them into the avocado, squeeze in some lemon juice and season with salt and pepper. Spread that creamy, chunky goodness over your toast. Finish with a swirl of olive oil and a sprinkle more onion or cucumber if you fancy. Fun fact: avocados have more potassium than bananas. Hit subscribe now for more tasty ideas. And there you have it, the best avocado toast ever. Don't forget to subscribe for more foodie inspiration. Happy eating!